If you want to start your own business, writing a clear and well-structured business plan can really help take the entrepreneurial idea you have and pave the path for it to become a reality. But you might be thinking, what exactly is a business plan? What benefits will it provide me as an entrepreneur? And how do I write one which is going to help me to start and run my own successful business? Well, in simple terms, a business plan is a formal document which is created by an entrepreneur and contains details about all the essential ingredients which are key to your business being successful, helping you as the entrepreneur to identify and consider the strengths and weaknesses of your business idea, as well as what is required to make it successful and minimise any potential risk. A business plan also provides you with the foundations to understand the financial side of your business and helps you as an entrepreneur to obtain finance, as you are able to formally provide potential lenders and investors with a clear, concise overview of your business and a vision of its future progress and profitability. It's important to note that there isn't just one standard template for a business plan, and it is often adapted to suit the business and the potential stakeholders who it is intended for. However, it is common to see the following 10 key areas covered across several sections within any good business plan. Let's take a look at each one of these key areas in more detail to help you to complete a business plan and increase the chances of turning your entrepreneurial dream into a reality. So first up, it's a business idea. This section is very important as it is where you provide an overview of your business idea, including the name, the legal structure of the business, and the general concept of what the business does. Sometimes you will see the term executive summary used, but this is just a fancy word for summarising the key points about your business idea. Following this, you should outline the aims and objectives of your business. Essentially, what does the business want to achieve in the immediate future and in the long term? Any aims and objectives which are set should be smart and allow the entrepreneur to measure progress and performance over time. The third section explores the market which the business will be operating within. This includes the size of the market, a description of the customers who the business will be targeting, and who the main competitors are. It's likely that the findings from any market research that you have conducted about the market will be included here. Next up, it's important that the location where the business will operate from is confirmed and what channels of distribution will be used. For example, will the business sell directly to consumers online or utilise retail stores? Up next, it's personnel. Within this section, the people who will run the business are identified, which could just be you as the owner, as well as the roles and responsibilities of any employees. The methods of buying and production are covered in the next section of the business plan, which allows you as an entrepreneur to discuss where you will buy your supplies such as raw materials or finished goods from, alongside the methods and costs of production if applicable. Importantly, every business is likely to require a premises and equipment for their business to function effectively. So it's important that the requirements and costs of any premises, for example a retail store or a head office, and any equipment such as a computer or machinery which are required for the business to function are explained in full in this section. Now we move on to what could be argued as the most important section of any business plan. It's the financial forecast. This is a section which allows you as an entrepreneur to calculate and analyse a series of key financial indicators for your business, such as forecasting the revenue, costs and profit, alongside producing a cash flow forecast and a break-even analysis. Following the financial forecasts, the entrepreneur would then cover any marketing activities for their business, which can be completed effectively through using the marketing mix model, allowing the entrepreneur to consider and analyse how factors such as price, promotion, product and place will influence buyer behaviour and sales revenue. And the final key area is sources of finance, which allows you as an entrepreneur to identify the required sources of finance for your business, such as how much is required to start and run the business and where this money will come from. For example, this could be personal savings, bank loans or from investors. Now we've explored the key purpose and benefits of writing a business plan, alongside the key areas which are typically involved, it's important to be aware of some potential limitations and drawbacks when writing and using a business plan for your startup. Firstly, it's only a plan. Therefore, it's likely that what you write down on paper and forecast won't be the exact result. But you are allowed to pivot and adapt your business plan over time. In fact, it should be viewed as a working document as you and your business develop and grow over time. In addition to this, if you're writing a business plan for the first time, there's a danger that any forecasts aren't going to be accurate. For example, you could overestimate revenue and underestimate costs, which could lead to serious cash flow and liquidity issues further down the line, meaning you need to obtain more finance or the business ceasing to exist long term. So that's it, a quick introduction to business plans. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and remember to subscribe to Two Teachers YouTube channel if you aren't already to see lots more business videos just like this.